I'm a musician in my own right. I actually could expect an album in the next 3 months, 3-4 months. It's almost there. For the first time in Zim, I'm almost completing doing the piece of work. So I play about 15 music instruments, and I've been writing music for the movie industry. Some of you did not know, right up to Hollywood. And yeah, so I'll play something for you. And I play the Mbira not for entertainment. I just play to clean up the air, and I play it for myself. Thank you, thank you. The African conversation is ever growing. We have moved away from colonization. We have moved into the new era now of neo-colonization, transformation of ideologies. Now that we have the instruments of power in our hands, we have been able to see the manifestation of political independence in our heads. The question is, how do we transform that independence to self-determination? By that we mean that we need to decolonize our governance structures. By governance we mean the instruments of power that impact the way we run our lives, conduct our businesses, and our constitutions, and the allowances that the Constitution gives to us. When Africa says it's independent, yet it is still stuck on the Roman Dutch law, the laws that manage what foods to put on the market, who must carry minerals in the country, who must conduct business in a certain way. All that legislative framework sits in the government, and it sits in the governance structures. And by voting your presidents into power as presidents, what you're not aware as Africans is that you've actually given them square jackets with metal iron sheets on their heads that they cannot function as independent